Okay, um, what I've got going on in this little video here, this is just an experiment. Um, Let me explain what this is. Right now I have a tone generator going. It's playing 40 hertz. The voltage there, if you can make it out, is 3.0. That's peak to peak, which is equivalent to 1 volt RMS. And that is going out, and it's just going from the output over to this probe, to the oscilloscope. And let's get it. Okay, you can see it's picking up 3 volt peak to peak. This particular model doesn't show RMS voltage. It doesn't do that calculation, but we know it's 1 volt RMS. Okay, that's just to confirm that the frequency generator is outputting a specific, let's get that a little better here. It is outputting a sine wave, as you can see here. Sine wave. And you can see, you can physically see the signal. This is just like you would get with an audio signal. Okay. Now with the digital multimeter set to voltage, got it set to AC, we're going to test the signal to see if it shows positive or negative, to see if we can get a polarity signal out of this AC sine wave. And I'm going to start negative to positive, and we're not showing a negative, so potentially this is positive. Now I'm going to reverse the wires, and we're going to see if we get a negative signal. Okay, we're going to switch these around. Like so, and it does not show a negative. Okay, so at least when the multimeter is in AC mode, it's not going to tell you any kind of polarity. Now we're going to do the test over. I'm going to switch the multimeter into DC mode. We're going to put this back negative to negative, positive to positive. We're going to switch. Now we're in DC. And of course the voltage readings in DC mode are going to be all kind of messed up. It's not a true voltage. I don't know, maybe someone can fill me in on why it's different. But you see we're no longer reading 1 volt. But there's no negative mark. So in theory this would be positive. Now let's switch the probes around. Put the positive probe on the negative probe, or at least the way they're color coded. And check it out, we got a negative. So at least in theory, from what I can understand, is if you put your multimeter in DC voltage, you can put it on a sine wave signal, an AC alternating current sine wave, and it will differentiate between positive and negative polarity. Now I still don't know how to read it accurately. I still don't know is this the actual positive? I mean, I guess in theory we can see the red probe. It's set up for the positive. And I don't really know what kind of signal we have coming out of this signal generator. I don't know if there is an actual polarity as far as like red and black, because it is an AC signal coming out. But at least the multimeter does show a difference, and that's pretty interesting. I still don't know which is the true positive and negative, but maybe somebody can explain it to me. Anyway, that's all I was showing. It's pretty interesting. Thanks.